gonna go on a quick test drive here. Now that screen flickering, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Car has 13,359 miles on it. So far it drives really nice. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Brakes feel solid. It definitely has some get up and go. Everything feels really nice. I have no complaints with the car. Like I said, ignore the screen flickering. That's just the camera being finicky recording it. So that is not flashing in person. This thing drives really nice. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the front right wheel, it's in great condition. I don't see any curb rash. I'm looking at that pattern on the sidewall, looks really neat. Here on the fender, tiny little surface scuff, just probably stuff from everyday washing. Overall the fender looks good. A couple water spots here. You can see some water spots and light staining there. There's a little scuff on the mirror here and one there. It's just on the surface, it looks like. That door's in great condition. A couple tiny little surface scuffs here and there. You see a little one right there. But I get real close. You do have some light curb rash here. But the rest of that wheel's in great condition. Quarter panel looks good. Looking at the front, now you're going to see these little spots every once in a while. Those are from bugs that sat on the paint too long and etched into the clear, so that does not wipe off. You're going to see little hard water spots every once in a while. That headlight looks nice. You got a couple little rock chips every once in a while. This trim is popping out. Might just be a clip or something. Little bug etching. Got a larger rock chip here. That grill looks awesome. Really, really nice. Little bug etching. I don't see any other damage minus just the little rock chips. Nothing larger though. Looking at the engine bay, that looks awesome. Very clean in here. Checking out the driver's side. Looking at that fender. Overall in great condition. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. The door looks nice. Mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. Now this little plastic does have like the little water stains and really light fading. Typical little fingernail scratches around that area. I don't see any dents, dings, or gashes. All of that looks good. Now we do have a gash right there and almost a tiny ding with it. Looking at the quarter panel here on the fuel door, you're going to see a couple scratches. And looking at that wheel, looks amazing. Here on the back side, we do have the Lexus little trim here protecting the bumper. All of that looks good. Taillight looks awesome. There is a little gash right there. It did take off some paint. The lower bumper looks good. Everything else looks really nice. All the carpet in here looks amazing. Very clean. And then you have this awesome little cargo cover. Now it does have some gashes though, right there and here. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. The door panel looks good. Got the memory seating here. That pattern in here looks really neat. This is how you open the door. Just push that button here. That looks good. Looking at the trim here, it has like an overlay to make it black, and it looks like it got ripped off almost. So if you pulled that all off, it would just be white. And that might look good actually. And that's illuminated. That bolster looks good. That side's perfect. The rest of the seats look awesome. The steering wheel looks good. Oh, those buttons look nice. Got the gloss black trim here. Really clean. Massive screen. Got the driving modes here, Eco and Sport. Shifter looks really cool. This side looks really, really nice. Here on the passenger door panel, lower section looks good. This is how you open the door. You just push that button, which is really cool. Still has the factory plastic on it. This trim looks amazing. You can see this is illuminated in there. That's awesome. Floor mats look good. That bolster is absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws on these seats. They look really good. It's kind of a cream color with an orange contrast stitching on that black. Actually looks really nice. Here on the back right door panel, looks great. Still have the factory sticker here as well. Carpets look good. Seat back is nice and clean. All of this looks amazing. I don't see any flaws anywhere there. Got your air vent here. Then two USB-C ports, and then looks like a little 12-volt port. Here on the back left door panel, on this upper section, you have a little imperfection there. It looks like something kind of hit it and notched it, so it's not a rip or a tear or a hole, but it kind of pushed it a little bit to the side. All of that looks good. The seats look perfect back here, and the only flaw back here I can honestly see is this.